nandito tayo ngayon sa Antipolo Rizal. Bagong owner sila ng bahay. First time nila mag-manage ng private pool. So excited talaga sila gamitin. Pagdating namin, okay naman yung tubig, treated na and clear. Ang kailangan na talaga is i-vacuum yung floor. And habang check namin lahat, wow, putik na to ah. Tinignan din namin yung filter, wala palang DE loob. And thankfully, tinawagan nila kami bago pa nila subukang galawin or ayusin on their own. Kaya nakorek agad namin kung anong dapat ilagay and paano dapat gumana yung buong filtration. Ang ginawa namin, nag-vacuum, basic cleaning, in-ensure namin na tama yung setup, binalas ng konti yung chemicals. After cleaning, ready na ulit gamitin yung pool, simple, clean, and stress-free. And siguro doon nila na-realize na mas okay pala na may marunong mag-handle ng maintenance. Kaya nag-avail sila sa amin ng regular maintenance service, twice a week cleaning yun. And ngayon, ganito rin yung setup nila araw-araw. Hindi na sila nag-aalala kung malinis ba o hindi. Ang ginagawa lang nila, relax, enjoy, and gamit lang. Kami na bahala sa maintenance, sila relax na may peace of mind.